Eat and undertaking for fast weight reduction. 1. Understand your numbers. Body composition numbers, BATs. Weight is only part of the photo on the subject of health. Getting a body fats assessment and taking measurements of various physique components can provide extra correct monitoring of whether your workout is working for you. Muscle is extra dense than fat and is a more metabolically lively, healthier tissue, and muscle is put on when fitness routines, peculiarly strength routines, are multiplied. Of course, you can't be aware of this just through stepping on the scale. 2. Skip the snack. Spending extra time sweating it out can result in extra want to put calories back in. Unless your workouts are longer than an hour and really intense, chances are you don't want the extra gas. If shedding weight is your purpose, a calorie deficit desires to be created, and that gainers occur for those who are attaining for snacks with the "I earned this" mentality. 3. Alternate carbs for protein. Unless you've started extremely endurance hobbies, your physique has ample glycogen shops to burn. Carbohydrates store additional water weight, which results in a puffy look. Chopping back on carbs can support you gain the short time period result of watching leaner as a result of water weight reduction. Giving yourself slightly extra protein for the period of the day can aid hold you feeling full and expand muscle. Good points. 4. Ditch the salad. Yes, I said it. Drinking plenty of raw veggies is best on your health, but it could actually intend bloating that gives the looks of no longer having a flat stomach. Having to digest plenty of roughage may additionally make you think gradual and uncomfortable, making it hard to get in the workout depth you're after. Foods with sugar, alcohols, weight loss program, processed meals, chewing gum and glowing water may additionally lead to excessive bloat. 5. Add food to your exercises. Ramping up fitness can require you put energy into your workout to preserve your physique energized to perform well. 2. Mainly I see consumers refusing to consume in the course of their workout routines. Best to be starving and wholly overdo it later within the day. Restructure your daily food regimen by including a banana before an exercise for a power raise and scale down a snack somewhere else for your day, and display your workouts. 6. Weights first, cardio second. On days while you're mixing exercise disciplines, go for the weights first. This can support your physique heat up to control cardio better, enabling you to move harder. 7. Invest in a fitness tracker. Machines on the health club and online calculators tend to overestimate your burn. Checking in with your physique's workload is the one method to get a correct look at how much energy you employ for a given pastime. Research health trackers that, at a minimal, count steps, coronary heart, price and sleep. Typically, we ramp up workouts handiest to be more sedentary overall. Kick the "I'm going to take a seat on the couch for hours due to the fact that I worked out this morning" mindset with the aid of making use of your tracker to set higher step goals or buzz if you happen to take a seat nonetheless too lengthy. A good tracker can measure your coronary heart cost for the duration of workouts to offer a customized appear at how rough you're working and how many calories you're burning. 8. Make it a double whilst you figure out, in particular high-depth exercises, your metabolism is boosted by way of put-up recreation oxygen consumption and the hunger hormone ghrelin is lowered. Doing a morning session and a night session could make this burn final all day lengthy. Long time period health.